Subscribe to our channel by clicking the subscribe button. Click the bell button and enjoy the latest uploads from our channel.
Ace, the bike light with a big vision for you and your city. Crammed with technology, yet surprisingly small and light, Ace delivers a whopping 125 lumens with a full 10 hours of runtime. Our newly designed secure clip system lets you mount it the way you want. But it's so much more than just a light. Ace uses patent-pending C-Sense AI technology to learn your unique riding style, optimizing its brightness and flash pattern for improved visibility for every moment of your ride. Reacting to roundabouts, road junctions, filtering in traffic, approaching car headlights, and more. Ace gives you space on the road. Ace has been designed specifically for daylight visibility. Working with leading interaction designers, we have a brand new smartphone app with custom flash patterns and smart battery management. You also access unique stats on your ride. Opt into the C-Sense community and unlock automatic theft alerting and bike registration. Ace also integrates with cycle computers using Ant Plus technology. Whatever way you use it, Ace auto-connects to deliver a hassle-free, connected cycling experience. Help your city plan space and infrastructure for cycling by sharing anonymized insights collected from your rides. Connect Ace to gain free crash detection alerts, helping improve peace of mind. Ace has been shaped by the best of your ideas and honed by leading design experts.
Another great gauge made by Topeak is the Smart Gauge D2, capable of reading 250 psi and 17.2 bar. Switching between psi, bar, and kilograms per square centimeter is easy with the touch of a button. To fine-tune your air pressure, push the tune button to get a constant reading while releasing air pressure from the air release valve. To finish, press the tune button again to acquire a high accuracy static reading. The gauge works for both Presta and Schrader valves, including cars and motorcycles. Switching to a Schrader valve is easy. Simply switch the selector over to the Schrader and place it onto your Schrader valve. The Smart Gauge D2 is also great for high pressure road bike tires, reading up to 250 psi or 17.2 bar. When finished, the gauge will automatically turn off after 30 seconds of non-use.
If you're one of millions of cyclists, you know every time you saddle up, anything can happen. You do your best to ride safely, but those around you, that can be another story. But the number one threat to every cyclist is the one you never saw coming. Because it's not on the road ahead, it's right behind you. And the threat is real. According to a recent study, 40% of cycling fatalities occur when riders are struck from behind. But with Varia Rear View Radar, the world's first cycling radar, you know traffic is back there, 150 yards out. And your taillight sends them a wake-up call too. And that can make all the difference.